So I'm excited to draw. Zoom in! I'm gonna draw a unicorn rainbow cake. So I'm excited. So let's begin. Zoom in! Yay! Yup, I'm so excited. Okay, so first you need to use a pen. So the pen will help you draw, of course. And every time you need to use a black marker. Okay, so first we're gonna draw the clouds. So it needs to be small, big, medium, and big, like a pattern. But it's okay whether you make mistakes, because we are here to learn. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, so now we need to do another one. So do a big here. Okay, now just put the same thing over here. Yeah. See how it looks very nicely. Yes! Yay! Okay, so now we need to do the ears. And then inside we do another small ears. And then here again. Then a unicorn has a corn. One of the corn that you eat on the ice cream. Okay, so then since it's a unicorn rainbow cake, I'm gonna draw the rainbow here. Okay, and it doesn't matter how much you draw the lines. It just matters about you drawing it. So I'm gonna draw here, like here and like there. Okay. So my brother is here watching me. Okay. Now we need to draw. We need to do the ruler time. So if you have a ruler with you, just come and draw from here. So just do this from here. Okay, good. No, this doesn't stay still. So if you want to draw this. Okay. Sorry, my thing just got darker. So okay, now we need to draw a little line here. A little teeny this kind of line here. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So now we are gonna be doing here. Okay. So draw a big. Yes, nice. Okay, so this is a live unicorn cake. So I'm gonna give it a smile. So then now, since every time a cake cannot just be like that, it needs a plate. So pretend this is a plate with a cake. So my brother is saying something. Yeah, good job. Good job. Nice. Okay. So if you want to get some designs, I'm sorry to wait, right? So if you want to do some designs, you of course can. So I'm gonna, since it's a unicorn cake, I can do here, here like a pattern. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna draw some beautiful hearts here. Okay. So since this is a unicorn, it's supposed to be, the corn is supposed to be much bigger than this. Okay. Actually now we need to draw some hearts here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's color. Okay, so I'm gonna do unicorn. Unicorn. Okay, now color it because I am a girl, so I like all pink. So this is a pink unicorn. So I'm gonna draw a unicorn pink cake. Yes, that sounds so good. It is a cat boy. Yeah, he said that. No, it's supposed to be a boy's cake. Okay, so the heart. Little flower cake. Okay, little flower cake. Okay. Okay. Okay, now for the heart, it's supposed to be red, but I'm gonna draw it. Okay, this color. This is purple actually. Okay, nice. Okay. Then for the cake, I'm gonna draw something, color something. It doesn't need to be so perfect, it just needs to be good. Because we are here to learn. So, okay, so I'm not going to draw this thing so perfect because we are here to learn. So I'm expecting you be easy, right? Easy. So I'm going to draw this. Okay, nice. Then down there below, I'm going to draw heart. Then see, it's so nice. Okay, now I'm going to use this and then draw. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same color and do it here. Okay, so then now I'm gonna do here. So is this a circle? No. No. This is a no. Oh, I could. It's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. Well, this is a lot of pink. Have you seen a lot of pink? Okay, so now I'm gonna use this. Okay, okay. So this is how it turned out. So thank you. Yeah. So this looks so yummy. So I'm gonna go buy one now. So if you like this video, please subscribe and tell me more cake you want. I can draw any cake, hot cake, princess cake. Okay. So thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. So thank you for watching my channel and subscribe for more of this and tell me and later for my next video I'm gonna draw a cute house.